Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to recycle those old blue jeans and make them into something new and useful. This multi-pocket jean organizer is made from an assortment of recycled jeans and is fitted with a hanger for easy hanging. It's got pockets, zippers, and belt loops that serve as storage compartments for all kinds of things that we like to keep handy. Sunscreen, iPods, cell phones, and keys all have a special place in this multi-pocketed jean organizer. These are the materials we'll be using to make our recycled jeans pocket organizer. You'll need a heavy-duty hanger. This is a nice wooden hanger. It's an old one I had. You'll need some heavy-duty needles. We'll be sewing this on the sewing machine, so you want to check with your machine instructions to what kind of a needle to use for sewing heavy-duty cloth. This is a jeans denim needle. You want to have some good sharp scissors because cutting denim is it's a tough fabric, and you'll need lots of pins. Now you'll also need plenty of old jeans. In a previous show, I showed you how to make area rugs out of recycled jeans, and we used just the leg sections, the plain leg section. So that left us with the top of the jeans with all the pockets and the fancy zippers and such. And so in this show, I'll show you how to utilize this top section and make a really neat pocket organizer.